Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to juggle. So let's go. So in order to juggle, you're going to have a growth mindset. That means along the way of learning this skill, we're going to make loads of mistakes, and mistakes are good. So don't worry, just keep going. I had to practice for hours, day after day to get this, so stick at it, and it's an amazing feeling when you can start to see your improvements. So when you're about to juggle, you want to make sure that you're standing in the right position. So you want your feet about shoulder width apart, that way you can make little adjustments. You want your elbows just sort of tucked in nicely at your sides, and you want your palms facing up. And once you've done that, you're ready to go. So step one, we're going to take our first juggling ball. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my right hand. If left-handers, you switch it over. So all we're going to do is to throw and catch it from one hand into the other. Okay, all the while keeping your eye watching the juggling ball to see where it's going. What we don't want is throws down here. What we also don't want is big throws up too high. We want them maybe just sort of about head height, just above your head height. So try and keep that, focus on the height of the juggling ball and try and keep it really the same each time. Maybe do that 20 times without dropping it, and if you do drop it, pick it back up and keep going. Okay, congratulations, you're now ready for step two. So we need a juggling ball in each hand. I'm going to throw with my right hand first again, so I'd throw it up, and as it reaches the highest point, it should be making this sort of diagonal line through the air. And when it reaches the highest point, I'm going to throw the second juggling ball in a diagonal movement. So we're making this invisible X. And then, because this ball is up here, this one will drop, and I'll be able to catch it, and then this ball will drop, and I'll be able to catch it as well. So the rhythm that I would say over and over in my head is throw, throw, catch, catch, throw, throw, catch, catch. And it should look a little bit like this. So throw, throw, catch, catch, throw, throw, catch, catch, throw, throw, catch, catch. And once you've mastered that, then you can put it into reverse. So I would then go with my left hand first. Throw, throw, catch, catch, throw, throw, catch, catch. And once I've done that really well, then I can go right hand first, left hand first, right hand first, left hand first. So that will take a bit of practice as well. Again, remember, if you drop it, doesn't matter. Pick it back up and keep going. So here we are, step three, 3 juggling balls now. I'm going to put 2 of the juggling balls in my right hand, and I'm now going to make 3 throws and 3 catches, so it looks a bit like this. Right hand, right hand, catch. Right hand, left hand, catch. And keep practicing that over and over again until you get really good at it. And then from there it's just a matter of building it up, so take it up to 4 throws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're good with that, take it to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this will take a lot of practice. Remember that growth mindset. Stick with it. Take a break if you need to and come back again. But always just look for that improvement. Eventually, you will get to a point where you'll be able to juggle properly. And when I'm in the classroom with the children, I will sometimes try and show off and do some different tricks with them. And then my time when I try and show off is normally where I make my mistakes. So I'm going to practice some tricks for when I come back to school. But good luck and have fun as you learn to juggle.